hello, and welcome to Fortune Teller Fiona's. Let your fortune telling begin. Before we start, you must know the rules of this fortune telling game, you see. And my one eye, if I am to see blue, your future is bright like a blue sky. And if mine eye shows red, it is the color of blood and death and deceit, dismal sadness. Now, let us start the fortune again. If mine eye shows blue, you will have love and desire and passion. And if mine eye shows bloody red, your life will end in loneliness and despair. So here we go. Just an eye booger. Oh, another eye booger. Look at that. Oh, I'm so sorry, child. It looks like sadness is just around the corner. With the ATM, it will be $20 for this session, unless you like a different fortune, in which case it would be 40. Tell all your friends now. Bye-bye.